Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Greg Majeski and welcome back to the Weather Nerds YouTube page. And if you could do me a favor, please hit the subscription button down below, become a subscriber, and hit that notifications tab. That way you can know when there's new content coming your way. Give me a thumbs up, and if you got a comment or a suggestion you'd like to see on this page, go ahead and leave a comment down below. We're going to take a look at the upcoming solar eclipse for this upcoming weekend, take a look at the forecast and see if Mother Nature's going to cooperate. Now, first, what we're seeing right now is you're seeing where the path of totality is. And right now, you can see it's coming in off the California coast, going to come right through New Mexico and right down through Texas, kind of right there in that swath there. That's where you're going to see close to 100% totality. Now, you will be able to see it in different parts of the country, just maybe not, a large percentage of it, just depending on how far away you are from the center. So, for example, let's say Los Angeles, for example, you're going to see about 70% there. Chicago, if you're up near Chicago, well, they're looking at probably closer to about, about 50% up near the Chicagoland area. Atlanta, you're closer to about, say, 60%. So depending on how far away you are, if you're up here in Maine, you're only going to see a little slither of it, about 20% there. So the question is, will Mother Nature cooperate, and will the clouds interfere with your viewing? Now, this is a look of what the expected cloud cover may be for this upcoming weekend, looking at the American GFS model. Now, if you're out here on the West Coast where it's coming in, unfortunately, you're looking at 100% cloud coverage right through a lot of California into New Mexico. It looks like the best viewing will be down near Texas where that 100% path is kind of cutting across. So Texas is looking pretty good. Atlanta, you're not looking bad as well, but the Northeast looking terrible with the cloud coverage. The Midwest also looking at a high volume of cloud coverage as well. So looks like Mother Nature's not cooperating very much for this upcoming event, and you may be fighting the clouds just a little bit. Now, watching a rare event like a solar eclipse can be a lot of fun, especially if you get the family involved, but there are some safety tips you need to take in mind, especially if you got the kids out with you. First and foremost, do not stare directly at the sun. That can cause permanent damage to your retinas, and we don't want to go blind, so please do not do that. Secondly, wear some solar viewing glasses. And I'm not talking about a pair of sunglasses. Typically, observatories, science centers, planetariums, they'll have these nice sunglasses that are designed to protect you from the sun viewing. So please get you a pair of those if you can. And lastly, you can make a pinhole projector. Now, if you're not sure what that is, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can show you how to build one of these. But basically, it reflects the sun on like a piece of paper or something like that, so where you can see the eclipse as it's occurring without causing damage to your eyes. You want to have fun, so stay safe out there. That's a look at the forecast. You guys take it easy, and we'll see you on the next update.